Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum Lord KG. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. Alhamdulillah. Well, subject maths. On Thursday you will do page number 14 and 15. Open your book B1, page number 14 and 15. Open your book B1. First you have to see B14, then 15. Okay, look at your topic. Pets. What's your topic? Pets. Repeat after me. Pets. Okay, color the set with the most animals. Color the set with the most animal. Fill in the blank. The animal that barber has the most of are dash. Okay, here is a barber and he has some pets. First one is tortoise. Second one is goldfish and third one is rabbits. Tortoise, goldfish and rabbit. And we have a question. Color the set with the most animal, and you have to color it which one is most, tortoise, goldfish or rabbits. Very good. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 tortoise, 3 rabbits and 3 fishes. Now you have to tell me which one is most, tortoise, goldfish और rabbits. ज़्यादा आपने मुझे बताना है कि इनमें से most means कि ज़्यादा animals कौन से हैं. goldfish है, rabbits है या tortoise है. tortoise. Very good. You have to color in the tortoise. आपने इसमें colors करने हैं. Okay, and write here which one is most, tortoise. Okay, look here. Tortoise. Okay, now look at the second portion. Color the set with the least number of animals. Color the set with the least number of animals. Least means come. Fill in the blank. The animal that Tariq has the fewest of are. Okay, Tariq, here is a Tariq and he has some pets. Okay, tortoise, goldfish and rabbits. Let's count. How many tortoises are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4. Now tell me which one is least animal, goldfish, tortoise or rabbits. Least means कम. अब आपने मुझे बताना है इन एनिमल्स में से कौन से एनिमल्स पेट्स हैं वो जो कम हैं. ठीक है, अब मुझे बताएं. rabbits. वेरी गुड. जो सबसे कम है वो आपने मुझे बताने हैं. ठीक है, ये rabbits. and you have to circle in the rabbits and write here rabbit. Rabbits. Okay, now look at the first portion. Okay, this is number 1 2 3 4 5 6 and tell me what comes after 6. 7. You have to write here 7 and then 8. Very good. Okay, look at the next page. Here is the same concept. First look here, what comes after 8? 9. And what comes after 9? 10. Okay, look at your topic. Biscuits. Zain has the fewer biscuits than Sidra. Ali has the most biscuits. Most means ज़्यादा, fewer means कम. Okay, अब हम बताएंगे. Let's count how many biscuits, total biscuits are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right here 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right here 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, tell me. Ali has the most biscuits. Where is Ali? This one is Ali. And tell me which one is most biscuits. 6, 7 or 8? 8. And you have to match it there. Okay. Now Zain has fewer biscuits than Sidra. Zain के पास कम बिस्किट्स हैं सिद्रा की जगह. ठीक है, जैन के पास कम है. जैन को हमने कहने सिद्रा के पास ज़्यादा है और जैन के पास कम है. तो विच वन इज़ लीस्ट अमाउंट? जैन हैज़ 6 biscuits then Sidra. Okay, and Sidra has 7 biscuits. So match here. Okay. Allah Hafiz.